how to enable first posts and stories notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable first posts and stories notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications, and then here you will see posts, stories and comments. Then scroll down until you find this one here. Now just select it, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.